Okay, so what we did was I painted the cylinders and all the fins. I painted them black with black heat paint, and then sort of just went around the edge of the fins, so it's almost like it was when it came out of the factory, because the paint was chipping, or I guess it must be powder coat. It was all chipping off and everything, so the cylinders look almost factory. So they've been bored out, you know, from Dragonman. He rebuilt the crankcase and bored out the cylinders a little bit and honed them out real good, and redid the heads, rebuilt the heads. And so I painted the heads, got those painted, and painted up the crankcase a little bit, and just gave it the once over. Just got some of the really bad spots, just hit it up a little bit, because again, some of the powder coat was flaking off and everything. It just looks a little bit better. We want it to look a little, you know, nice and custom when we get it finished. And we're also going to change out the cam chest cover and change that out. These are relatively inexpensive, so I thought about, you know, sandblasting it all and then trying to get it, but it's easier just to get a new one and put it on there, because they're really not that expensive. So.
And poverty will come on you like a thief, and scarcity like an armed man. A troublemaker and a villain who goes about with a corrupt mouth, who winks maliciously with his eye, signals with his feet, and motions with his fingers, who plots evil with deceit in his heart. He always stirs up conflict. Therefore, hopes placed in mortals die with them. All the promise of their power comes to nothing. The righteous person is rescued from trouble, and it falls on the wicked instead. With their mouths, the godless destroy their neighbors.